Success? What success have I had? No, I have never been pleased with myself. As a writer, I do not like myself at all. The trouble is, I am made giddy, as it were, by the fumes of my own brain, and hardly know what I am writing. I love this lake, these trees, the blue heaven. Nature's voice speaks to me and wakes a feeling of passion in my heart, and I am overcome by an uncontrollable desire to write. But I am not only a painter of landscapes, I am a man of the city besides. I love my country too, and her people. I feel that as a writer it is my duty to speak of their sorrows, of their future, and of science and culture and the rights of man and so forth. So I write on every subject, and the public hounds me on all sides, and I race and dodge like a fox being chased by dogs. I see life and knowledge flitting away before me, and I am left behind them like a man who has missed his train at the station. And finally, I come back to the conclusion that all I am fit for is to describe landscapes, and that whatsoever else I attempt rings atrociously false.